Hello, this is RAUfilter 25 km for 1 hour. Customer from Malaysia. This custom pipe 110 milli, two for inside water and two outside water. Okay, one arm this for connect pump. This pump. Now I open control box and check all system before shipping to customer. Okay, first you can see we have new design now. This more safe when transport box. First turn left, okay, right, this is my pump. Left again, look, everything okay, motor reductor work. This you can see same but work with pump and motor reductor together. Okay, middle, this is work automatical mode. Now I show by sensor. When water up, he open all system and he start any work. How many seconds he work, you can regulate this. This is bigger, this is smaller. Now I show. Again open. Yeah, you see, very short. Only touch sensor and he work 5 seconds. Yeah. And now I open little more, do and open again. Now check. Now check. Yeah, okay. More time more. And you can do from 1 minute maximum. Okay, everything ready. This is lid. Now we put in wood box and send to customer. Okay, thank you.